In this video, we will learn how we can record the sales return against any finished goods that we have sold to the customer, and now they are returning something back to us, as you can see in this transaction. So let's see how we can deal with this. So from the gateway of Tele, we'll click on vouchers. And as we are in the vouchers, sales return is a credit note because sales is normally credit. So credit note is referred to that. In case anyone have some confusion, what is sales return? So that's a credit note. What we'll do is we'll click on other vouchers and you can see the credit note. But if you can't see, it might be inactive. So you need to click on show inactive. It will show you the complete list. And from here, you can choose your particular accounting voucher. So here, the credit note is there already enabled. But if it is grayed out, something like this, you can just double click to activate now. It will show you the activate now option. Just click yes and it will activate. Other vouchers, I'll just go again. And since it is a credit note, sales return is a credit note, I'll just choose this one. Party name is Mr. James Carter. Tracking number and all, you can enter it all later on. Otherwise, we will skip through it. In the ledger account, I'll just choose sales. And we are returning the shirts. Yes, shirts. I'll choose that. Tracking numbers is not applicable. Order number is not applicable as well. And the quantity is 200. Rate is 400. This makes the total to 80,000. End of list. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure that you enter the sales return on 31st of January so that everything can work fine. Hit enter, enter, enter. And when it comes to total, after that, it will ask you, how do you want to adjust this? Now, we have already billed some amount to James Carter, right? And against that bill or against that sales invoice, they are returning some items. That means it should be adjusted in the sales invoice so that we can collect the remaining balance from the customer. So against reference, I'll choose that. If we have the option to adjust, yes, we do have a pending bill. We'll adjust this against the pending bill. Hit enter, enter. And in the narration, I'll just simply copy this one, this narration right here, paste it in the narration, press Ctrl A. And this is the simplest method on how you can book the credit note or the sales return in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.